Hello, welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection lawyer. And the question we'll talk about today is, you've been sued by a debt collector. This is in an Alabama court. So you've been sued by a debt collector. You've been served the papers, but you're wondering, how do I know if there's a judgment against me? Is there automatically a judgment? Have I waited too long and there's a judgment? What's going on? So let's do a couple things. First, you have a certain amount of time to respond. If you've been sued in small claims or district court, you have 14 days to respond. If it's in circuit court, you have 30 days. I'm talking about when you're sued by a debt collector for money damages. So if you're still within that time period, there should not be a judgment. Now you can still check with the courthouse or you can check with us. 205-879-2447. Ask for Carolyn. She'll look up your information on the online court system and tell you if there is showing up a judgment against you. But if you're within that time period, then you should be okay. The key is take action. File a response, whether that's on your own, whether you hire a lawyer. Make sure a response gets filed. Now, what if you are beyond that time period? Well, usually there will be a default judgment against you, but not always. So we have had people that were served and it's, 6 or 9 months later. And they just call us at that point. And we very quickly look and realize there's no judgment. Well, let's get an answer filed immediately so there will not be a judgment against us. So whatever the situation is, give us a call or call your local court and say, hey, here's this lawsuit, here's a case number. Is there a judgment against me? And if you have not responded, again, I just can't stress this enough, make sure you respond in time. If too much time has gone by and there's a judgment against you, then there can be a very short period of time to undo that judgment, what's called set aside the default judgment. And I'm talking about if you've been properly served. You've got to comply with those deadlines. So as soon as you realize, I've got these papers sitting on my desk or my kitchen table, I haven't done anything with them, figure out, when were you served? Is there a judgment against you? What can you do? We'll be happy to help you. Give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can reach us at alabamaconsumer.com. Be glad to talk you through your options, let you see, okay, I can go this way or that way. What are the advantages, disadvantages? And that way you can make the best decision for you to make sure that you get the best outcome. So look forward to talking to you, and we'll be glad to help you any way we can. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.